If you want to make a screenshots on your Google Pixel 9a, so here are different ways of doing it. So first of all, you can press power and your volume down button simultaneously, and the screenshot is going to be made. The second way of doing a screenshot is to ask your Google Assistant if you have it set up. Hey Google, make a screenshot. Great, the screenshot is made. You can find all of the screenshots in your Google Photos, right? So collections, screenshots, here are your screenshots, go. All right, let's move to the next variant. The next variant is through our recent apps. So any application, make sure to open up your recent app menu and press screenshot. The screenshot is made. In one of the next things is through our back tab. So open up your settings. Now we gotta locate our system tab. Locate your gestures. Here we can set it up for a screenshot. We can set up anything for a screenshot. For example, use quick tap to start actions. Here's quick tap to set a screenshot. Make sure that it's set. Now let's tap on it real fast. So it's set. Sometimes it may not work correctly from the first time. Yeah, it's working now. So keep that in mind. Right, about scrolling screenshot. Make a screenshot with any mean possible. And here, if your page is long enough, you will be able to press, let me show it to you again. You will be able to press capture more. And here, you can capture everything up. And that's basically how you do this. Now you can press save. And this long screenshot is gonna be saved right to your gallery. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.